Day two. All right, fam. This is day 6. They spent day 1 through 5, one box of worms that seemed to be doing fine. We had to go out of town for a funeral, so we've been gone for a couple of days. So this is day 6, if I'm not mistaken. I just introduced 2 more boxes of worms, and we're gonna see how they do. I'm sure here soon they'll be at the bottom. Hold on. I'm sure here soon those will go down in the bottom. We're gonna close this up, put them back in the dark, close this door so we don't have mosquitoes in here and have all kind of fly and mosquito larvae in here on my pets, and we'll see how they're doing. All right, family, tune back in tomorrow, day 7. Hello YouTube family, and welcome to another episode of Fishing That. Yes, it is your boy Rosie, your soon to be #1 YouTube host. All right family, if you wonder why I'm holding up the thumb and not the finger, because this is my green thumb, because I have kept that worm farm alive for more than 3 weeks. Booyah! All right family, if you watch all of our YouTube, we're about to head on another camping trip. That's right, 2 weekends in a row. So before we go, we're about to, yes, these are K-Cups. We're about to dump some coffee in on the worms. We're gonna give y'all an update. By now, you probably already seen footage of when we initially started the worm farm. We went in to the shed, we checked on them, they were doing fine. A couple of days later, we went in, we fed them. We added some, I want to say around day 7, we added another 2 boxes of worms. That one box of worms, they're right out here. You want to check them out?
Come on, let's go see my grandchildren.
Oh, that's right, y'all. You heard Lady Red. They family, they grandchildren. So we're going to add a couple of...
Our lettuce.
They didn't eat all the lettuce. Matter of fact, that lettuce was so big, I took some of it out and tossed it because I wasn't sure. Right there. Now watch this. When I open it, hold up. Around.
Mosquitoes. Hurry up.
I know, right? When I open it, boom.
Is that what it's supposed to look like?
I don't know. I put that, is that too moist?
Yeah, that's moist, Daddy.
But look,
Oh,
they're still,
baby,
they're alive and well.
Let's go. Those things are scary.
They're alive and well, but I don't know why that, I don't know, look like a spider web type material. Huh? Yeah, they are fat. But these are my originals. They ain't no babies yet. All right, fam, I thought that was cool. Lady Red wanted to see what was happening. Somebody explained to me, why did I get that kind of spider web looking moisture on top? But as I was saying, we've already, around day 7, I added 2 more boxes of worms. I'm going to continue to add a box of worms here and there until I probably get up to about 6, maybe 4 or 5 boxes of worms in here. And I think that'll be enough for the 1 container. Then we might go ahead and duplicate the same thing on the bottom container, or we might go to a bigger system. All right, fam, you see our K-cups? That's what we use for coffee. I think it's all the same. So we feed them about once every 3 days. The reason I do that, this weekend we're going camping and we'll be gone. Today is Friday. We'll be gone Saturday. We'll be back Sunday afternoon. I can feed them again Sunday afternoon or Monday morning, but I figure a 2 to 3 day cycle should be good. Right here I have cornmeal. I'm wondering if that cornmeal, because I did not have that problem until I started adding cornmeal about 3 days ago. So somebody explained to me, was it the moisture or what that caused kind of that spider web thing on top? But fam, look at these. They are happy. They are fat. Look at them. Booyah. And every time it gives me such joy. Every time I open this thing, you get like that, almost like an earthquake. Like they all move and kind of settle in when they feel the box move. That way you know they're all healthy, wealthy, and well, baby. So all right, fam, we're gonna go ahead and feed these things real quick. We'll put our coffee grounds on them, a little more cornmeal, and let's see what happens. All right, family, there you have it. We did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 K-cups or coffee pots in. I'm kind of squeamish about adding that cornmeal. I think I will this time around, but I'm gonna give my brother-in-law a call because that's what my brother-in-law that lives in Quincy, Florida, not the one y'all see me fishing with. And believe it or not, I don't know if I mentioned this on the channel before, but my brother-in-law that lives in Quincy, Florida, my sister's husband, he fishes more than me and my brother-in-law here. He is an avid fisherman. I would love to get those two together on the channel one day, and let's see how that works out. They both love to fish from the bank, from boats, canoes, underwater, scuba gear. They'll spear them if they have to. But all right, fam, I just want to do a quick down and dirty video, give y'all an update on where we were with the worms. They seem to be doing fine. I just got to find out what that little residue is that settled on top. But other than that, we're loving it. I do have plans here in the near future to increase the size of the farm, if you will. I'm thinking about getting one of those metal bins or those big tubs that looks like a bathtub, the smaller ones, and maybe upgrade to that. I also have a plan where back where I was originally going to put it, I took that big green garbage can, I flipped it upside down, and we're gonna kind of put some food underneath it and see can we get some worms to kind of come in there, because I notice all the time when I mow the lawn, oftentimes if there's something laying on the ground, worms will be underneath it. So we can scavenge some worms and add to the bed, all the more, all the merrier. All right, family, I bored y'all long enough with the worm farm. But in the comments, there was about 3 of y'all who have done this, a couple professionally. Give me an update on to why I had that little white spider web looking residue on top of the bed. I don't know if that was something to do with the moisture, humidity, the cornmeal, coffee, what. All right, family, I bored y'all long enough. I hope y'all enjoy your weekend. I will give you another update in probably about once a month, because my research has shown it's gonna take maybe 7, 8, 9 months for this to start to produce new worms and eggs. In the comment section, tell me if that is correct. So we won't be able to use these for fishing until fall of this year, 2024. All right, family, if y'all enjoy this content, give your boy a thumbs up. And if you love what we're doing here, this and that, consider becoming a subscriber. And if you do subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time we drop one of these awesome videos. It's your boy Rosie. Peace.